Customizing channels on your walkie-talkie.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of walkie-talkies and learning how you can set a specific channel or frequency. This knowledge will give you more control over your communication, helping you stay connected wherever you are.
What is a walkie-talkie channel?
A walkie-talkie channel is a specific band of frequencies that walkie-talkies use to communicate. It's kind of like a specific lane on a highway that's allocated for certain types of traffic. Channels and frequencies in the context of walkie-talkies are regulated by laws in each country, so keep in mind the legalities of your actions when setting specific channels or frequencies.
Can I set a specific channel or frequency?
Yes, you can set a specific channel on most walkie-talkies, and this process varies from model to model. It's essential to understand your device's manual for specific instructions. Typically, you can do this by turning a knob or pressing a button to cycle through available channels. On the other hand, setting a specific frequency is not as simple. Many walkie-talkies, especially those for general consumer use, come with preset frequencies that align with the legal regulations of the country. Setting a specific frequency might be possible on professional-grade or ham radio devices that allow such detailed customization.
How to set a specific channel?
Setting a specific channel is often a straightforward process. 1. Turn on your walkie-talkie. 2. Look for the channel selector, often a knob or button on the device. 3. Turn the knob or press the button until you reach the desired channel. 4. If your device has a display, it will show the channel you've selected. Remember to ensure both devices are set to the same channel for successful communication.
What about specific frequencies?
As mentioned earlier, setting a specific frequency is more complex and might not be available on all walkie-talkies. Professional-grade or ham radios often have this feature, and you will need to dive into the device's settings. Always refer to your device's manual and remember that some frequency bands require a license to operate legally. That's it. Now you know how to set a specific channel on your walkie-talkie, and you understand a bit more about frequencies too. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy chatting and stay tuned for more tips and tricks about walkie-talkies.